A humanoid robot just went berserk and attacked workers in China. What does this mean for our robotic future? Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Dewald. This is Saturday, May 10th, 2025. This week, UC Berkeley unveiled a breakthrough open-source humanoid robot you can build for less than $5,000. It walks, hops, and can be remotely controlled, a massive cut from the usual $100,000 price tag. Meanwhile, Chinese researchers used drones to literally make it rain, increasing rainfall by 4% using silver iodide smoke. In the warehouse world, Amazon introduced Vulcan, a robot with a sense of touch, powered by machine learning to handle complex tasks that most robots struggle with. But as the recent Berserk robot incident shows, safety remains a critical concern as robots enter public spaces. Stay tuned as robotics reshape our world dramatically. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI Minute. Give this video a like and share your thoughts below.